In this video I'm going to have a BNQ monitor. It is 27-inch monitor, and this monitor model is EW2775-B model, and this is on a base stand. I'll show you how you can remove this stand. And this monitor is a good thing is you will need a power adapter cable to connect and display VGA and HDMI port this monitor has. So I'll show you how you can remove this stand. I think that's quite easy. Remove this stand from this monitor. First of all, you leave in a flat surface and try to remove this base plate screw, and which will let us remove this base plate. Yes, and it does. Now is another screw you can see, which is we have to remove, and hope that's let us remove this plate, this stand base properly from the monitor. Yes, it is slide out. From the monitor, I think we have to do more. Need to be more. Let's see. Now I remove full the screw. Let's see it come up or not. Yes, it does. Just need to little bit pull. That's why the screw was holding. So this is how you can remove your BNQ 27-inch monitor stand.